Okay, hi guys, I'm finally back, but I've been gone for so long because I was trying to think of what to build next. And after reading this book by Newport called Deep Work, I wanted to build a timer app that helps me to, do things better, focus on one thing at a time, and actually get into the flow state. So the problem that I have with many Pomodoro apps is yes, you can start the timer, but it's still very distracting because your phone can be buzzing at you and you probably don't know what to do if you haven't like defined a task for that focus session. So I want this app to be able to help you jot down any thoughts that come to you as you're doing the focus session, and you will also be able to accurately see in that focus session what you're supposed to achieve. So basically, it's a Pomodoro app, but for people who want to enter the deep work flow state. So let me show you the app. Okay, so hi everyone. So this is basically my timer project, and what I want to show is how this can basically help you to enhance deep work. So my plan for this is really just to have a timer with one to do. So for example, you can say like, I want to code user feature for app, and then you can check and uncheck this accordingly. And what is very cool about this is that if you go to this notes feature, and if you go to completed, it actually logs the task that you actually check off each focus session. So my plan for this timer app is each focus session should feel very purposeful. It should have one to do only. So you're not just doing some random thing during the focus session, you are actually focusing on what you're supposed to be doing. And another very cool feature that I thought of is, usually you are doing a focus session and something came out of your mind. So for example, last time, every time I would try to do my homework, then I remember I forgot to reply to my friend's message, then I would need to reply to it. But with this app, my plan is as these thoughts come down, you can just jot some random things down. For example, you can buy groceries, I don't know. And then you can either save a snapshot. So after the focus session, you can go on to saved and tackle some of the things down after your focus session. So you don't have to leave this website. You can leave this website on. It's okay. And in the unfortunate case that you have to refresh, obviously, this will still save. So even if you close the website, it's okay. This will also save. And then you can start the timer. So these are very basic timer features. And if I set this to 1 minute, I can show you some of the features as well. So it has a really nice animation. And if you reset, obviously, it will go back to its original time. And you can also change light mode and dark mode, which is a really satisfying thing that I did with the AI tool. So obviously my skills are not there yet. So I did use AI to help build this project. But I just want to share what I've learned, which is basically when you are using an AI tool to generate code. Last time my mistake was to let AI do everything at once, generate a whole bunch of different code, and then I would manually have to sieve out what is this feature doing, what is that feature doing, how does this file connect to another file, and it's just really distracting and really hard to understand how the project works. So what I realized is you ask AI to break things down step by step, what your project needs to do, and then for each prompt, only tackle that prompt, only tackle that feature. So you can able to achieve like much more with this, less mistakes as well, and you can actually understand what your code is doing. So yeah, and also one very good thing to do is to ask AI to generate like a project resource document. So it's like a spec of basically it's a list of everything that your project needs to have. So the AI has a point of reference to start with. So this is what I found was really useful. And I hope to create more devlogs like this if you guys are interested and upload more frequently. And if you're wondering why there's this Kuromi icon, it's because this is a gift for my sibling. And if you wait, there should be a ding. Yes, there is a ding there. Then you can click on the next phase and yes, it reloads. Okay, but anyways, there was this very cute icon because this is a gift for my sister. So I just want to, give it like some personalization. But if you don't want that, it's okay as well. You can change this icon to whatever you like. So yeah, this is basically my app. And yeah, obviously there's a stats here as well to track how many focus sessions you've done. So yeah, I will see you in the next video, and I hope to basically make more videos documenting my projects as well. So see you there.